Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make my Dream Maker Afghan. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the double crochet stitch, and be familiar with the stacked granny stripe stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. So starting from the beginning, you're going to make chains for how wide you want your blanket. You're going to make chains in the multiple of 3 plus 2. I'm going to make 155 chains for my example blanket. So again, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 3 plus 2 for how wide you want your blanket, and I made 155 chains for my example blanket. To start row 1, make 2 double crochet into the 4th chain from your hook. We're now going to start our sequence. You're going to skip 2 chains, and then into the next one, you're going to make 3 double crochet. Again, skip 2 chains, into this next one, make a block of 3 double crochet. And again, skip 2 chains, into this next one, make a block of 3 double crochet. You're now going to repeat this sequence of skipping 2 chains and then making 3 double crochet into the next chain for the rest of this row. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 3 chains. Make 1 double crochet into the first stitch. We're now going to be starting our sequence again. It's going to be like row 1, but we're going to be working into stitches instead of chains. Skip 2 stitches, and into this next one you're going to make 3 double crochet. And this next stitch that you're working into should be a middle double crochet of a previous 3. So we're skipping these 2, working into this one right here, and you're going to work 3 double crochet into that stitch. Same thing, skip 2 stitches into this next one, work 3 double crochet. Skip 2 stitches into this next one, which should be a middle double crochet of a previous 3. You're going to make 3 double crochet. Now you're going to repeat this sequence of skipping 2 stitches and then making 3 double crochet into the next one until you have 3 stitches left in this row. When you reach the last 3 stitches of your row, you're going to have 2 double crochet and then some chains, and these chains are going to act as a double crochet since we've been doing sets of 3 double crochet. You're going to skip to the second to last stitch right here. You're going to make a double crochet, and then into that last stitch or the tops of those chains, you're also going to make a double crochet. So that's going to be 2 together. It's going to match the 2 that we made at the beginning of this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. You would now repeat row 2 for however long you want your project. I'm going to continue on with my example blanket, and I will come back when my blanket is complete. So this is how my blanket turned out. I ended up making 80 rows total, and that comes to about a throw size. I tend to stick around 55 inches by 60 inches for my blankets. And that is going to be how to make my Dream Maker Afghan. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.